Okay. 5 seconds on here. You have to finish your sentence with 5 seconds. Yang yang main start human, alat apa mahuman sa imong sentence. Okay. Stay with you, guys. Boy. Okay. Okay. Timer starts now. The t-shirt I wore is
Very low.
3 seconds now. Di ba nagsagot ka? Dapat isakto niyo yung sentence niyo.
Nahihaya.
Okay.
Very low.
Timer starts now. I thought you were my loved one, but you were my loved one, but
You were my loved one, but I don't.